In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum multiple cells in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and make sure you're looking at the worksheet where you want to perform the calculation. If you're new to Excel, don't worry. This is one of the most useful and beginner-friendly functions you can learn. And once you understand it, you'll be able to total numbers much faster than adding them manually. In Excel, the sum function allows you to quickly add values from multiple cells, entire ranges, or even a combination of different cells. This is especially helpful when you're working with budgets, reports, lists of sales, or any spreadsheet that contains numbers you want to total. Let's begin with the first method, which is summing a range of cells. Imagine you have example data in column A, with the values 10, 20, 30, and 40 placed in cells A1 through A4. When the numbers are grouped together in consecutive cells like this, you can use a range inside the sum function. The formula you would type is equals sum, open parenthesis, A1 colon A4, close parenthesis. Written out, that looks like this. SUM A1 A4. The colon tells Excel to include every cell from A1 through A4. After entering the formula and pressing enter, Excel returns the result 100. This is the quickest way to total values that are next to each other in a continuous block. Now let's look at the second method, which is used when you want to add specific cells that are not adjacent. This is useful if your numbers are spread out and you only want to include certain entries in the total. To do that, use the sum function again, but instead of a range, list each individual cell separated by commas. For example, you would type SUM A1, A3, A5. In this case, Excel adds only those three cells and ignores the cells in between. For a simple example, let's say A1 contains 10, A3 contains 30, and A5 contains 50. When you enter the formula SUM A1, A3, A5 and press enter, the result is 90. This method gives you more control because you can choose exactly which cells to include. As a helpful tip, always double-check your cell references before pressing enter, especially when selecting non-adjacent cells. A small mistake in the formula can change the total. Also, remember that the sum function only adds the cells you specify, so your accuracy depends on the references you include. That's how to sum multiple cells in Excel using either a range of cells or specific individual cells. Once you practice both methods, you'll be able to total data quickly and confidently in almost any spreadsheet.